Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot Uniswap V3. Uniswap V3 is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. However, like any complex system, it can be prone to issues and errors. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot common problems that may arise when using Uniswap V3. First, it is essential to understand the key concepts of Uniswap V3, including liquidity pools, token pairs, and oracles. Liquidity pools are the backbone of Uniswap V3, providing the liquidity necessary for trading. Token pairs refer to the specific cryptocurrencies that can be traded on the platform, and oracles provide the price feeds that determine the exchange rates. To begin troubleshooting, start by checking the Uniswap V3 website and social media channels for any known issues or maintenance alerts. If there are no reported issues, proceed to check your wallet and account balances to ensure that you have sufficient funds and are connected to the correct network. Next, verify that you are using the correct token pair and liquidity pool. Uniswap V3 supports multiple token pairs and liquidity pools, so it is crucial to select the correct one to avoid errors. You can do this by checking the Uniswap V3 interface and selecting the desired token pair and liquidity pool from the drop-down menus. If you are still experiencing issues, check the transaction history and status on the Blockchain Explorer. This will help you identify if the transaction is pending, failed, or has been processed. You can also check the gas prices and adjust them accordingly to ensure that your transaction is processed efficiently. Another common issue on Uniswap V3 is the insufficient liquidity error. This occurs when there is not enough liquidity in the pool to facilitate a trade. To resolve this, you can try increasing the slippage tolerance or using a different liquidity pool with more liquidity. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact the Uniswap V3 support team or seek assistance from a qualified developer. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates on Uniswap V3 to ensure that you are using the platform effectively and securely. In conclusion, troubleshooting Uniswap V3 requires a systematic approach that involves checking the platform status, wallet and account balances, token pairs and liquidity pools, transaction history, and gas prices. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly identify and resolve common issues on Uniswap V3 and ensure a smooth trading experience.